So basically, everyone has been waiting for Jumia Black Friday, which used to occur around November, December, which is the end of the year. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to the channel, please kindly subscribe and click on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new content, you'll be the first person to notify. So here we are on Jumia, which we are probably you are looking for the best product which you should buy by this time, which is the end of the year, and hopefully maybe you want to resell in another year. So I actually don't know your plan. Maybe you want to buy some products and be using by yourself, or probably you want to buy and resell later after the Black Friday has been ended. So yeah, I'll be doing some tour on Jumia to see some amazing products which you and me can buy if you are actually interested, and also resell after the Black Friday stuff. So I have been going through the platform since yesterday, and I got some notice on some products which I would like to buy. So I think I was able to see the Black Friday page, which has lot of products which you can buy. So without all this random page, you'll be able to locate the Black Friday page on its own. And then I would like to advise you as well, if you want to buy any products on Jumia, you can do some research about that particular product before you proceed to buy that product. So you can check on AliExpress, you can check on GG to check the original price of that goods, because basically one fact I understand about this Black Friday sale is, like say for instance, there is a price given to a certain product right before the Black Friday stuff. So let's say for instance, this particular Nokia 105 was sold before Black Friday at 6,510, and then on the Black Friday it was listed on the platform, which is 8% off, and they are selling it at 5,990. So basically it's a little bit discount, and at some point there are some products, I'm not saying that this particular product certainly, but there are some products whereby the price doesn't change. Even they will put this tag, some certain percentage was off, but at the end of the day, once you check on this particular products on some other platforms, you will see that it's still the same, or even though this might even be higher than what they have before. So all these things are kind of like strategy which they use to make some sales. So here is the Black Friday top deals. So you can see all here to see all the products that are available with discount. So you can see the different categories in which you can view, tour, and choose the one that best suits your needs, and then you can buy any products that you like. So as you can see here, we have different categories here, so just go ahead and choose any category that you think you want to buy some goods in. So I have been thinking of different things which I actually want to buy, but I'm not sure yet because I'm still doing some research on those particular products before I proceed to buy. In other words, not to lose my money, because every naira count. So here I'm on gaming page, which they offer some discount as well. So on this PS3 station, there is 38% off. So as you can see here, it is 75,000 instead of 120. So there is some other packets here as well. So search console and all the stuff. Then so you can choose anyone that you like, then proceed to buy. As you can see here, this one is 1% off. So it's kind it's kind of like funny though, but at the same time it means a lot to some people. So this is for gaming page, and then there are still some other pages. Let's say for instance, when I check this particular product yesterday, there is still some products available, but now it's actually out of stock. So people are buying a lot of these goods because most of them are big deals. So once you buy them, keep, then by next year January or December you can start selling. And not everyone even know about Jumia Black Friday. So and some people that know, they don't know how to buy or shop from Jumia. So it's best for you to take the advantage and buy. So I also want to shop some power banks as well, because this power bank, this kind of like a big deal. If you buy this kind of power bank, 10,000 mAh and at 2,800 naira, then you can flip it or resell at any amount like 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. It depends though, depend on how you package your goods. Because I can remember I bought a power bank of like 30,000 mAh for the rate of, I think it's 15,000 naira. So and that's at a shop. If you could check on 30,000 power banks here, I'm not sure it will be up to 15,000 naira. So I would like to check some, let's check some power banks. And people are really buying power banks these days due to the fact that the light and all the stuffs. And some people that work at an office, normally they won't like to run out of light. So it depends. So let's check some 30,000 mAh power banks. This is 20,000. And also some of the power banks depends on the product, because I could check one small power bank yesterday for like 20,000 mAh, but I'm not sure on that power bank because it's too small to contain 20,000 power. I think this is the power bank. Oh, this is kind of like late, but something like this. But that one I'm seeing yesterday is 20,000. Okay, this is 30,000 power banks. So you can see this one I'm talking about. This one is even more than the price I got it at a small shop here. So this is higher, and they even said that it's 36% off. So which this is off it. So there are still some products that you can actually buy. You just have to do your research and select the best that you think you can. And I want you to take note of some things. There are this kind of products I don't advise you to buy. All these clothes, I mean I cannot buy, because I've done that for someone around 2019. At the end of the day, the person did not like the products received because it's not of any quality, not even a percent. So I cannot even rate it at all. And the person feels so bad, which you have to flip it immediately at the lower rate. So just do your research and check on GG, check on AliExpress to check that particular product. You can download the product's image and upload to AliExpress. Then once you see that and you're satisfied with the rating you are saying, so you can proceed and buy. And of course, there are some times whereby some products are not written well, which most of them not even 5%, 5-star rating. So most of the goods on Jumia are kind of like 4, 4.5, less than 4. So and some people just buy and decide not to rate that particular product. So different people with different kind of characters. So I think I was able to like explain more about all these products. So it just depends on what you actually want to buy. So let's say if you're like this Kiki new game rechargeable ear clipper. So let's say for example for this clipper now it's like 6,000. So if you check on JG, if you want to flip this kind of product, if you check on JG, the price might be over or lesser than what they have here. So you just have to do your research before you buy any product so that you won't end up using all the products or goods you buy on this platform by yourself. So let's now say for instance you buy like 5 clippers and you want to flip it. So how do you want to use 5 clippers? So that's a waste of money. So do your research well before you select any product to buy. So this is all I have for you in this video. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon, so anytime I have a new content or video, you'll be the first person or be among the first person to get notified. Thank you, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.